Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome to my channel. In today's project, we'll be doing this mixed media project, and let's have fun and get started. So for this project, I'm using acrylic paints, and I'm using this knife to paint. So I'm using this three colors, that is yellow, red and orange. So I'm going to first put that on the watercolor paper, which is 140 pound. So I'm going to first put the yellow color, and then I'm going to add orange, I'm just coloring randomly, and now I'm putting red color. If you are watching my videos or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button, click on the bell button and turn the notification so you can see my videos as I post it. So now I'm putting the red color and then orange, and I'm using my fingers also to blend some colors. Now I'm going to dry everything. I'm using this stamp, and I'm going to stamp it using black acrylic paint. I'm going to first try it on the paper, and then I'm going to stamp it. I'm going to use a stitch stamp. Now I'm going to use this stamp. It is from Creative Expressions. Now I'm using this grungy stamp. I love this grungy stamp, and you can see that I'm just getting carried away and using it like many times. Now I'm using this Tim Holtz stamp. And I'm using archival ink. This is the Tim Holtz stamp I was using. Now I'm using black acrylic paint, and I'm kind of just putting it here and there. I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm using white acrylic paint, and I'm going to splatter on that. Now I'm going to stick this sticker. It's like a luggage kind of sticker. I thought it will be perfect for this background. I'm going to use this washi tape. I'm just going to tear it and then stick this washi tape on the paper. Then I'm going to stick this focal point. Now I'm going to stick the coat. And this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Then click on the bell button, turn the notification on. So you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. So have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.